hair everywhere. So, guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a little cleaning around the house. Not anything, deep. I'm just gonna be, making the house look put together. And I also am filming a laundry video today. So I got a lot going on today. So I am gonna do the bathroom first, and I got a few dishes that I need to wash. I may make it to the living room. I don't know for sure, because like I said, I'm doing a lot today, and so that laundry video will be posted before this video here. So you may notice I have on the same outfit from the last video. So because I'm doing them all today. It is early outside. I mean, it is early and it's still dark out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. I hope this gives you guys some motivation. I don't have to worry about the bathtub because it's not dirty. So I'm gonna just focus on the sink, and I need to restock the tissue and the soap and all that stuff like that, and clean the toilet and all. So, all right, well, let's get started, guys, because we got a lot to do today. A lot to do. So let me get started. this is the Stanley Cup, y'all. The cup with all the hype around it. My girls wanted one for Christmas. This is what they got for Christmas. I don't see how people carry this big old thing around. She takes it to school and everything. I like. But yeah. So I don't understand what. I mean, they've been out for years. I mean, I don't think they came in this like this one, but they've been out for years, and I just don't understand the hype around them. And I let them talk me into getting one, which I didn't get one this big. I can't carry one this big. Even the I think mine is a 30. Let's see, what is this one? I think this is the 40 ounce. Mine is 30 ounce. Still, I think it's too big, and I may take mine back because I really don't use cups for real. I let them talk me into getting one, so, which I may take mine back because I don't even think I'm gonna use it. So